Hey, today we're 25 miles outside the city of Columbus in Canal Winchester. This newest listing is a flip property, so it's been completely remodeled inside. The outside is kind of an old farmhouse look. I like to say it's urban on the outside, modern on the inside. This is 6631 Waterloo Road. Now, why am I holding this? We need to get some drone shots. Let's go. All right, let's start in the kitchen. So the entire house has been remodeled. The kitchen is very spacious, bright. We have granite countertops. We have not put in appliances. However, we will give it credit at close and you can pick out whatever appliances are your favorite. Plenty of room in this kitchen to have a kitchen table in here, and there's a lovely pantry. The focal point that I really love in this room is this staircase that goes up to the second floor, which has 3 bedrooms upstairs. Then as we move on, we've got this area has been purposed as a dining area. However, you could use it as another entertaining area or sitting area. And then as we move through the house, we have this cozy living area where obviously I think most people would gather and hang out. So let's go take a look at the master bedroom next. Okay, now we're in the master bedroom. I guess I'm not allowed to say master. Owner's suite, primary bedroom. There's tons of light in here. You could fit a king, a queen, whatever size, plenty of room for dressers and whatnot. Lots of natural light. Let's check out the ensuite. Wow, look at this bathroom. I mean, tons of light, beautiful tile shower, giant mirror and vanity that is LED backlit. This is an amazing, spacious ensuite bathroom with a connecting walk-in closet for all of the closet things. Okay, this is the cool part about this house, and I'm just gonna show you right now. Okay, this is the super cool part about this house. This side of the house functions like a whole separate house within the house. House within the house. You've got a bedroom, you have your own private bathroom, there's a loft upstairs. Adjacent to the bedroom, there's our own little mini living area, and it's perfect for a mother-in-law suite, aging parents, a boomerang child, nanny suite. The options for this over 3,000 square foot home are endless. I urge you to come take a look. If you have any questions or you'd like to book a private showing, don't hesitate to reach out.